Looking for the best welding jackets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 welding jackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Revco Black Stallion BSX Father Welding Coat. Adjustable and comfortable. The sizing is accurate and the affordability is hard to beat. The collar is long enough to protect neck from stray sparks. Interior pockets help protect valuables from heat. A cotton coat with snaps that resist flames and give good coverage. The material is on the thin side and may not be as suitable for heavy-duty use as some others that are thicker. At number 2. Lincoln Electric Flame-Resistant Jacket. The fabric is made from a breathable cotton to keep you cool while wearing it. Has an interior pocket for protective storage. The sleeves snap together to help protect arms from stray sparks. A simple but affordable cotton option that is flame resistant yet breathable. The lightweight material isn't as protective as leather counterparts. At number 1. Westchester IRONCAT 7005. Strong and durable. Includes pockets for storage. A heat-resistant garment with multiple use cases. Great for users who want longevity in their products. The sleeves can be easily adjusted to help protect better. A hardy leather coat for workers who weld, manufacture, and work with heavy equipment. Some owners find it too large, others find it too small. Check size chart before purchase to avoid this problem. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.